When should you scale an ad? If this is a question that you've asked yourself before, this is the video you need to watch. The way we go about scaling our ads, we follow a specific criteria which is based on numbers and actual data that helps us figure out, well, should we scale the ad right now or should we not? And this is very important because if you scale a winning ad at the wrong time, it's going to kill the ad. And if you never scale an ad, well, you're never going to see the full potential of it and you're leaving a lot of money on the table. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to figure out when to scale an ad backed by actual numbers and data, what numbers to look at, how to figure out, and well, how to start scaling. Make sure you watch till the end because this is going to be very useful. So first and foremost, let's talk about the threshold. There's a specific threshold that you need to hit before you decide to scale an ad. The threshold is very simple. Number one, it should have a minimum of $150 in total ad spend. And number two, it should have at least 5 to 10 purchases, right? This is something that we follow. Again, this is on the very low end. And when I say scaling, I don't mean go from $150 to $500. You scale gradually. I'll talk more about that later in the video. But the bare minimum is it should have at least $150 in ad spend. And number two, it should have at least 5 purchases. And the reason why I don't recommend scaling before this is because you don't have enough of a data sample. The sample size is very small. So you need at least $150 in ad spend or minimum 5 purchases, right? Now, I audit ad accounts on a day-to-day basis and I'm offering free audits to my subscribers. All you do is click the first link in the description, fill out the form. I'll do a free audit of your ad account. But my point of saying this is when I audit ad accounts every day, I see so many people start scaling much before they should. And the problem with scaling early is when you have only 1 or 2 purchases, you're not scaling a winner, you're scaling luck. So when you scale an ad which hasn't had enough spend or hasn't had enough purchases, that means it doesn't have enough data. So when you put that ad into a bigger ocean of audiences, cold audiences, you're gonna fail. And not just that, your cost per purchase goes up, all your cost of ads go up, and then you're wondering, well, what went wrong? What went wrong is your ad didn't have enough data, enough sample size to be able to scale properly, which is why it's very important you wait till you hit this threshold. Now, what happens once you hit the threshold? When your ad hits $150 in ad spend or at least 5 purchases, you want to duplicate into a dedicated scaling campaign. I see so many people who don't have dedicated scaling campaigns. That should be a whole video in itself, but have a dedicated scaling campaign, have a dedicated testing campaign. So what do? Once you have hit those thresholds, you take the ad from the testing campaign and you duplicate it into the scaling campaign. Keyword here is duplicate. Never move a whole ad into a different campaign. Let the testing campaign ad run, duplicate it into a scaling campaign. So once you've done that, the next step is, well, scaling the budget. So there's a specific way I want you to go about this. I don't want you to go from $150 a day in ad spend, duplicate it, and then spend $300 on that same ad. That is how you kill an ad. What you want to do is increase 20% every 2 to 3 days. So you duplicate from the testing to the scaling campaign, increase the budget by 20%, wait 2 days, see how the performance is. If the ad holds performance or better, the performance increases, you then increase the budget again by 20%. Again, wait 2 to 3 days, see how the performance holds, and then keep increasing in 20% increments. This is the way to scale. Again, I know this is much slower than most people want to, but this is the way to scale consistently and be profitable at the same time. If you just want to throw money at your ads and think that just increasing the budget by double or 100% is going to make it better, that is not how ads work. That is how you kill a winning ad. So when you want to scale, this is how I want you to go about scaling. And if you understand this fundamental about scaling, this fundamental about, well, when should you scale and how to scale, you are going to make a lot of money. But if you're in a position where you've tried to scale, but it never worked out before, I want you to book a free one-on-one call with me. I'm offering free one-on-one calls to my subscribers. I have a couple of spots available right now. You'll find the link to that in the description as well. Click that link, go to my calendar, book a free call. On the call, I'll go through your ad account and I'll help you figure out, well, how do you fix the problems in your ad account and how do you scale profitably? Or maybe you don't have a store right now, you want to start a store, book the call with me. It's absolutely free. I have a couple of spots and I want to help you guys for being part of the channel. With that being said, I hope this helped you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.